This is the Aussie dollar, and you can see on the chart we had our break here below the 101.82, and that was our selling point from last week, and we sold up very smartly all the way down to the 99.80, 99.30, and we broke that only to come back on Friday and trade above the 99.30 and push higher to close at the 99.80. Now that coming back above the 99.30 would have been considered a strong buy signal, but it came back above. It took out pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4 days buy signals. We had a nice short covering rally on the Aussie, and you can see it right there. I mean, this was technically your first buy, and then we started in a way fading to the downside. What we have here, look, based upon the daily chart, this is a sell signal. This is a sell signal that has been triggered in the Aussie. So if you have already a short Aussie long-term position, then you should stay with that trade. And we're looking for the Aussie to continue further down. Having this close at 99.80 and this low we're going to try to take only the buy when it takes out, when it clears what it has failed to clear before. So these entry points would be we should take the Aussie dollar above 10029. So our buying signal will be 100. That as soon as it clears this area over here, this is going to be our buying point, because I want to make sure that this sell signal is no longer there. We have a sell signal, so I'm not going to buy until that sell signal is cleared. Okay, so that is going to be my buy point, and if we buy it right there, the next structure point, which was the one that we sold on from last week, which is the 101.18, and with this, and if I buy it above the 101.00, I'm gonna place my stop 99.89. I'm just not give it too much room. Okay, on the short side, I'm already technically in a sell signal, but we need to take a signal with a trade which we are more conservative. Guys, this is interesting for the ones that have the software, that you do have the software. You want to see what the open range is. And you can take the short, but this is here your real short below this point, which is the 99.36. So your selling point is below that intraday structure, which is 99.36. Okay, and if we do break below this, the next structure point is the 99.30. Structure short point is the 99.30, and if I go short below 99.36, I will place my stop above the market side, because this is my short entry right there below this low, which is 99.36, and I'm going to place my stop above the market side, which is 99.75. Okay, that is the Aussie dollar. Let me save this recording. If anybody has